Well, to be honest, that to me is one of the best African songs I've ever heard. Unfortunately, I'm not really sure what it means, but every time I listen to the instrumentals, I hear there are the xylophones, I hear drums, I hear rattles. There's a way it makes me feel African, makes me come alive as an African. Listen to the beats. Well, when you hear African music, just know today I'm talking about something African. I'm coming back to the dark continent. This is me, Shadre the Real Rider, the Love and the Voice King, right here on Shadre's podcast, The Storytelling. Today I'm going to talk about Before the African Rain. Below the clear blue sky, the livestock roam about in the fields, the women chaffing, the little land space around aimlessly, as the men, under the shades and the sun is like burning to its last, they are talking. You know, the African men, they sit around and talk. As the sun is burning, like as if it is angry at something that's serious, life is seemingly going on well. But in at one corner of the sky, like a dark predator, the nimbus steals upon the day. It's like blue versus grey, and from its innards breathes out a cold gush of wind and slowly diminishes the sun. Call it blanketing. Far below all this atmospheric drama, the cattle clear, the goats, the chicken, they all scatter. The women also scatter off, each recollecting her belongings, clothes, little lands, food and the like, while the children themselves, like as if they are high on something illegal, scamper off into all directions. It's like to them, the stormy winds is an intoxicant, and you can't blame them for their actions anyway. The trees are tormented, twisting from side to side like dancing to a disco drum, as the grass is swathing to and fro, and the dust rising to the high limits. But high at the heavens, the battle is fast raging on. The nimbus roll on fast as the skies rumble, like a military tank's parade. They cover the ears of the motors, and strikes of lightning sharpen fast like forks of a poisonous snake pierce through the skyline, instilling cold chills through the people, and soon they let down into a cold, chilly shower. The African rain. Thank you for hanging out with me, Shadre the Real Rider. Right here on Shadre's podcast, I'm the voice and the love king. As always, you only get to hear it first from right here. And don't forget, you can get these stories written on my blog, and that is Random Thoughts of Shadre. Other than that, have a good time. Let's make a date next time. But don't even forget, you can like, you can comment, you can subscribe, you can share, you can download, I don't know. You can do anything, and I'll be very, very pleased with you. Otherwise, catch you next time right here on Shadow's podcast, and Peace out.